Hey, so what's happening in the shop is not as much. We have two people that are gone right now. One due to health issues not related to the virus, and someone else is taking some time off because it's slower here. Although he's our oil change guy, and we could probably use him, and we could have a full day of oil changes if he was back, but he's chosen to take some time off, and so there we are. So we're not doing a ton of work, but I've been keeping kind of busy every day. So, and yeah, that's what's going on here. Please pay attention to what's going on in the news with funding. Right now they're talking about funding the second package of aid, and it sounds like, I don't know if you're Democrat or Republican, they always mention, I hear Nancy Pelosi's holding things up with other items, but just whoever you're for, make sure you're contacting or writing your Congress people and letting them know that you just want to focus on financial aid packages for small businesses and for the little people, and not saving the trees, creating the solar power panels, arts and crafts. Just make sure the money's going to businesses and us little people. So keep an eye on that, pay attention, try and be informed. And next year we'll probably be laughing about this. Well, not really laughing, but it'll be different next year. So that's what's going on. Doing a timing belt on Honda Pilot today and doing some oil changes. So that's really my day. And then we'll be here on, not here, but it's Easter weekend. So that is when this is all happening. So hope you're all safe. Pay attention to what's going on, and just be smart. I just wanted to talk a little bit quickly about the anti-malaria drug that they're talking about, which could be helping people. I really am confused by the different networks sharing their different opinions on that. I went to the CDC website, and they say the anti-malaria drug is safe for adults and for children. They want you to take it a week before you go to a malaria type country. So the CDC does say, as I just mentioned, you can take this drug start taking this drug a week before you leave on your vacation to someplace that has malaria. Good for adults and for children. So they have different doses. So I still am really confused as to why doctors on other networks, I think it would be like MSNBC and CNN, maybe another couple of networks, are so against taking this drug that's been around for a long time, when the CDC website says there's several anti-malaria drugs you can take. And yeah, they don't seem to have too many problems. There are side effects, but another thing about that is you should feel free also to look at all the drugs that have been recalled after they were approved by the FDA, and all the pharmaceutical companies that have been sued and have lost and have been paying out millions and billions of dollars over the last 10 or 15 years. So I'm thinking that the drug companies or these people talking about how safe or unsafe a drug is, they don't really know. Anyway, that's my little blurb there on the drug thing. Do some research on your own.